Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone once you forgot your password. In order for you to enable this option, you'll need to go to your settings. From your settings, go to Face ID and passcode. And then from here, enter your passcode. Once you're in here, scroll down up until the end of the screen. And in here, you'll see Erase Data. What we need to do is to enable that. By enabling this, iPhone will erase all of the data on your phone after 10 failed passcode attempts. So just tap on Enable and then tap here. And that's how to factory reset your phone once you forgot your password. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.